Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today we can deal with a new topic, that is heterotrophic nutrition. In the earlier classes we have studied autotrophic nutrition. So each organism is adapted to its environment and different types of nutritions are there. The form of nutrition differs depending upon the type and availability of food material as well as how it is obtained by the organisms, isn't it? So some organisms break down the food materials outside the body and absorb it. Examples are fungi, bread molds, yeast and mushroom. Some others take in raw material, break it down inside their bodies. And some other organisms derive nutrition from plants, animals without killing them. This parasitic nutritive strategy is used by a wide variety of organisms like cuscuta, ticks, lice, leeches, and tapeworms. So, based upon the mode of nutrition, heterotrophic nutritions are classified into three: holozoic nutrition, parasitic nutrition, and saprotrophic nutrition. So, there are three types of heterotrophic nutritions are there: holozoic, parasitic, and saprotrophic. So, here the holozoic nutrition. So, here the holozoic nutrition is a type of nutrition in which organisms takes the complex organic food materials into its body by the process of ingestion. They are taking food materials into its body and digested and then absorbed into the body cells of the organisms. So that is holozoic nutrition. So this is a type of nutrition, or this is a type of heterotrophic nutrition in which organisms takes the complex food materials into its body by the process of ingestion, and the ingested food is digested and then absorbed into the body cells of the organisms. So here is the examples. Frog, amoeba, human beings are the examples for holozoic nutrition, and they are taking as a whole. And the second one is parasitic nutrition. So we already told that is some organisms derive nutrition from plants and animals without killing them. So they are parasites. So these parasitic nutritive strategies used by a wide variety of organisms like cuscuta. In the case of plants, cuscuta is a plant, and ticks, lice, leeches and tapeworms. So here the parasitic nutrition means it is a mode of heterotrophic nutrition where an organism lives on the body surface or inside. Sometimes it may lives on the body surface. Sometimes they are found on inside the body. So based upon this nature, the parasites or the parasitic nutritions are classified into endoparasite and ectoparasite. Okay. So endoparasites and endoparasitic nutritions are there, and ectoparasitic nutritions are there. So what do you mean by parasite? Parasites means those organisms which live on the other body surface or other organisms body surface, that we can call the parasite, and where they live they can call the host. So in the parasitic nutrition, two terms are there: host and the parasite. Host and the parasite. Host means it is where this parasite is found, that is called host. Where this parasite is found, where this parasite is living. And parasite means these organisms. Okay, so these are the two types of parasitic nutritions are there. Two types of endoparasites are there: endoparasites and ectoparasites. Examples for endoparasite: roundworms, and example for ectoparasite: lice, head loss, etc. And in other cases, saprotrophic nutrition. Saprotrophic nutrition is a process of chemoautotrophs extracellular digestion involved in the processing of decayed organic matter. As you know, what is decayed organic matter? That is, decayed means dead and waste material. So they are getting the energy or they are getting the food from dead and decayed material. So they are known as saprotrophic, or they are this type of nutrition is we can call the saprotrophic nutrition, or the saprotrophic nutrition occurs in saprotrophes. The saprotrophic nutrition or this type of nutrition occurs in saprotrophes and is most often associated with the fungi and soil bacteria, or fungi and soil bacteria are the examples for saprotrophic nutrition. So based on the mode of nutrition, the organisms are classified into heterotrophic nutrition and autotrophic nutrition. Autotrophic nutrition we have already studied, and there are two types of autotrophic nutritions are there: Photoautotrophs and Chemoautotrophs. So here the photoautotrophs are organisms that carry out photon capture to produce complex organic compounds and acquire energy. They are getting the energy from photon, or by means of photon capture they are utilizing or they are producing complex organic compounds. So photon means light, so they use the energy from light or they use energy from sunlight to carry out various cellular processes. For example, our green plants use energy from the sun and carry out their various cellular process, isn't it? So green plants are the examples of photoautotrophs. The next one is chemoautotrophs. What is chemoautotrophs? From the name itself, it is known. That is, they use the energy from other chemical processes. That is through the oxidation of non-organic compounds. So these chemoautotrophs use the energy from other chemical processes. That is through the oxidation of non-organic compounds. By the means of non-organic compounds oxidation, they are getting energy and they are producing the food products.